Hey guys, we're here in Walmart. I'm actually here in Las Vegas. So today we're having a barbecue. Alea is going to cook. Oh, my teacher's back there as well. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
Oh really? I look like I'm doing something, right?
18%. That's a lot.
I'm about to drink that shit right now. Like, nah.
Y'all, I forgot to record me making the jungle juice, but this is the jungle juice. It's like peach Minute Maid, strawberry lemonade Minute Maid, Jose Cuervo, and this stuff I saw in Walmart. But it's 13.9% of alcohol. Like, that's crazy. So now I still gotta put this on the grill, corn and salmon, but I'm making the fried shrimp. Oh snap. Making this fried shrimp for on top of the deviled eggs. So that should be really good. I think I'm gonna do some on the deviled eggs. I'm not gonna do all because some people might just want deviled eggs with no shrimp. So yeah.
Ooh, chicken. That's the chicken and that's the kebab. Ah, it's cute.
Last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind is time. Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. Just how I feel when I'm around you, shorty. Last night we didn't say it, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess? I should've stayed. You say the word, I'm on the way. This shit feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, she ain't either. Why second guess? I should've stayed. But you know what's on my mind,
Okay, come on. Jet, it's time for a bath. Come on. Come on, little man. Jack, come on. It's okay. You will survive. Come on. No, in. Good boy.
Okay, this is the shampoo and the conditioner that I use for him. It's from the brand Kiehl's.
Until I'm done. Come here, little man. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm at this restaurant called Sampan with my cousin Alea.
Asia don't want to be on camera.
And Asia, but she's off camera. But let me show you what we're gonna order because we are getting from the chef's tasting menu. So let's see. Okay, so from this menu you get 7 selections and mini cones. Maybe mini cones is a dessert. But from the small section we're gonna get the crispy spring roll and the shrimp toast. From the sauté section we're getting salmon. From the hot and cold we're getting crispy shrimp. It sounds all for me. For the meat we're getting the Szechuan chicken stir fry. We're getting the roasted branzino from the fish and then crispy Brussels sprouts for the side. And all of that with a dessert is $55 per person, which is pretty cool. So super excited to see how this goes, and I'll show you guys the food when it comes out.
Told my girl to order and I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game, make that different, you know. Last time I had it.
Cheers. Okay, here's the crispy shrimp, and then this is the spring roll that I can't have because I don't eat meat.
Let you burn some, come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got that to do. Girl, you know we got that to do. So get your ass in the car, come through, come through, come through, come through.
I was like, what you doing? That made me cold.
Yeah, the cone is good.
I still am not getting this Oreo cookie thing.
I didn't get
It
Oreo.
wasn't real. I think she got the night mixed up.
Tell me if it's Lucky Charm.
It's vanilla watch.
No, it's Lucky Charm.
It is.
Let me see.